Hello everybody, welcome back to my garden. Well, today I'm going to show you my grow lights in my garden shed. They're doing quite well. I've got a lot of little seeds and plants and stuff growing on, so I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Stick with me and we'll go and have a look. Well, here we are. That's where it's all happening. This is the sort of I suppose you could call it the colder section. There's no heat in here at all, but these are my little onion sets that I planted 2 weeks ago, would you believe? Now they are ready to go out into my little plot that I've got out in the field. So we'll be doing that pretty soon. Also, there's a money tree there, there's some sage, loads of parsley. In fact, over the back there is one that looks like it's going to seed. I don't know if you can see that. So anyway, let's move across. There's a lot of things getting so big now that needs to be, well, they need to be potted on. So this is a heated propagator. You can't see much because it's very misty, but I'll be taking that cover off in a minute. And this is another heated propagator, misty too. So there's the grow light. Let's take these covers off and we'll have a look. I must say it makes a real big difference to have your plants in a heated tray under a grow light. This is Marmond tomato, should be a really big one. I've got lots of sweet corn growing there. There's a lonely marrow over the back, or a couple actually. They're just starting to come through. These are turnips that are growing sort of toilet roll holders. They're starting to come through. There's small sweet corn, and there's another tomato there, and that one's called Mr. Stripey. I like those, very tasty. And then we come across to this one. We've got some big sunflower there, hasn't come through at all, so we'll have to try that again. There's a marrow there, not come through. It doesn't always work. There's cucumber looking very healthy, some cos lettuce. Over the back there's a very big, very healthy marrow doing well. My echinopinanas, they didn't come through at all, and I've got a whole bunch of cucumbers over the back there. So anyway, that's it guys. Just show you how it's going to carry on growing. It's all doing so well. It's still frosty outside occasionally. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got quite a few interesting videos. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching them. And I'll see you all again next time. Bye from me and bye from my grow lights.